Hey everyone, in this review, we'll test the Acer Swift 14 AI, a small Ultrabook that skillfully blends performance, design, and cutting-edge AI capabilities. This gadget is made to be a workhorse for both creative and professional duties, with its Snapdragon X Elite processor, strong AI integration, and up to 26 hours of battery life. Let's see the features that set the Acer Swift 14 AI apart. The sleek traditional form of the Acer Swift 14 AI is complemented by a sturdy gray metal case that offers further protection from deterioration. With a narrow profile of 17 millimeters and a weight of about 1.32 kilos, the laptop is portable and lightweight. The device stays cool throughout prolonged use thanks to efficient ventilation holes at the back. Two USB Type-C ports with display compatibility are located on the left, while a USB 3.1 Type-A port, a power button with a battery charge indicator, the cutting-edge Acer Sensi key, and a combined audio jack are located on the right. Even in low light, typing is comfortable thanks to the two brightness settings on the backlit keyboard. For convenient security, the power button incorporates a fingerprint scanner and facial recognition technology with an infrared camera. Another well-considered element is the hinge design. With its smooth opening and 180 degrees angle, you may position it for the best viewing experience. Whether navigating through documents or watching movies, the 14.5-inch display's 2560 by 1600 pixel resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate offer crisp images and fluid interactions. Wide viewing angles and brilliant colors are provided by the IPS panel, which makes the screen ideal for both work and play. A brightness level of 400 nits guarantees visibility in a variety of lighting circumstances, from bright outside settings to dim rooms, and the matte screen coating efficiently prevents glare. The Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite CPU, which has 10 cores. From office software to multimedia processing, this powerful processor effortlessly manages complicated tasks. The Acer Swift 14 AI's Copilot plus PC integration is one of its best qualities. With the addition of useful features for everyday activities and work tools, this feature offers instant access to an AI helper to increase productivity. Assistant to the creator, it offers a collection of graphic editing and design tools that are helpful for creatives. Produces subtitles for movies and video calls automatically, converting them into more than 44 languages. Perfect View and Perfect Voice are tools that use sophisticated processing to enhance the quality of audio and video. For instance, Perfect Voice's noise suppression improves voice calls clarity even in busy settings. With minimal usage settings, the 75 watt-hour battery of the Acer Swift 14 AI is expected to last up to 26 hours. You can anticipate about 20 hours for typical office work and a combination of video viewing, which is still remarkable for an Ultrabook with this level of power. For anyone looking for a powerful portable laptop with a contemporary AI-focused edge, the Acer Swift 14 AI is an appealing option. It is perfect for both professional and creative use because of its elegant appearance, sturdy construction, superb display, and long-lasting battery. Users can do more tasks with less effort thanks to the AI-powered Copilot features, which introduce a new level of productivity. Even while certain AI features are still being developed, they already improve the device's usefulness for daily chores. Consider the Acer Swift 14 AI if you're looking for a laptop that blends design, usefulness, and artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.